Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto the Magnificent. I'm your friend Saeed Sanimam, and today we are diving into a vital topic that impacts us all: wildlife conservation. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let's get started. First up, what exactly is wildlife conservation? Simply put, it's the practice of protecting animal species and their habitats to maintain biodiversity. With the rapid loss of species, understanding its importance is crucial for our future. Let's talk about ecological balance. Every species plays a unique role in its ecosystem. For example, predators keep prey populations in check. When a species goes extinct, it can disrupt these intricate relationships. Think of the wolves in Yellowstone. Removing them led to overpopulation of deer, which harmed vegetation and affected other species. By conserving wildlife, we maintain this balance and supporting all life, including ours. Now, on to economics. Wildlife conservation is not just good for the planet, it's good for business too. Wildlife tourism generates billions each year. National park attracts millions, supporting local economies and creating jobs. Plus, biodiversity is essential for agriculture and medicine. Losing species could mean losing potential cures and resilient crops. It's an economic no-brainer. Let's not forget the cultural aspect. Many communities, especially indigenous peoples, have deep spiritual ties to wildlife. Animals and plants are central to their traditions and identities. When we conserve wildlife, we also protect these cultural narratives, fostering respect for nature and community engagement. Wildlife health is linked to human health. Ecosystems provide clean air, water, and even pest control. A degraded environment can lead to health crises, like the recent pandemics. By protecting wildlife, we reduce the risk of zoonotic diseases, those that jump from animals to human. Healthy ecosystems mean healthier communities. What about ethics? Many believe we have a moral obligation to protect other species. Extinctions often result from human actions, like habitat destruction and pollution. It's on us to rectify this. By cultivating compassion for wildlife, we build a sustainable relationship with nature for future generations. Wildlife conservation also plays a crucial role in combating climate change. Healthy ecosystems like forests and wetlands act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide, CO2. By protecting these habitats, we not only combat climate change but also enhance ecosystem resilience. It's a win-win. Next, let's discuss habitat restoration. Many ecosystems are degraded, but conservation efforts can revive them. Projects like reforestation and removing invasive species can improve biodiversity and ecosystem services. It's all about collaboration, governments, NGOs, and local communities working together. Education is key. Conservation initiatives can raise awareness about biodiversity and environmental threats. By teaching the next generations about the importance of wildlife, we inspire action. Simple choices like reducing plastic use and supporting sustainable products can make a difference. Finally, wildlife conservation calls for global cooperation. Species don't recognize borders and ecosystems are interconnected. International agreements aims to coordinate efforts. By working together, countries can tackle global challenges like climate change and habitat loss. In summary, wildlife conservation is crucial for ecological balance, economic benefits, cultural heritage, human health, ethical responsibility, climate change mitigation, habitat restoration, education, and global cooperation. As we face unprecedented environmental challenges, let's prioritize wildlife protection for a sustainable future. Thanks for tuning into Crypto the Magnificent. If you found this video informative, please hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below about what wildlife conservation means to you. Together we can make a difference. See you next time.